Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be going over how you can possibly change your account or your website language on Indeed. So let's get right into it. But before I do, let me quickly explain what Indeed is, so that you are up to speed if you are not informed. Indeed is a hiring app very similar to LinkedIn and other similar apps, where you can be a job seeker and search for jobs based on certain keywords. You can create your own online resume and take tests to improve your skills or to prove your skills. And you can also contact your employers or potential employers directly. If you're an employer, you can put up job listings to which people can apply and search for a job, and you can much more easily manage them than through paperwork with the use of the Indeed in-app management service. Now, as I've said, I'll be going over how you can possibly change your language, and I'll be honest, I don't know how, especially on PC. If you're on mobile, you probably have an option. I have seen tutorials on the mobile app, and you'll have much more luck with that. However, on the PC, on the mobile, you'll just have to enter the hamburger menu and go to country and language, or country preference, or whatever it is. It'll be in the hamburger menu. Just choose your country, choose the language, and you'll be perfectly fine. However, here on the PC, I just don't know how. My guess is it's automatically connected to your preferred language in your computer, so it might be due to that. Since I saw a lot of other instructions online, and all of them go to preferences. Under settings, I cannot find preferences for the life of me, so there is no possible way here. Other tutorials or other instructions said it depends on the country site which you go into. For example, if you go to Indeed Australia, it'll show English. Indeed India, it'll show you Hindi. I don't know. I really don't know. I haven't found any other sites except for this and maybe the Swedish one. Yeah, I really don't know, and I'm sorry that I can't help you guys anymore, but that will be it from me, I suppose. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video.